What's up guys, welcome to my channel, I'm LL. A new AI video model has just been released by LTXV, which is LTXV. I just tried it. I would like to say that it is by far the most balancing offline AI video generation model that can generate satisfying videos in a short period of time with arbitrary length. While other video models are still struggling in 5 seconds of AI video generation, LTXV is already able to generate at least 1 minute of consistent video with multiple inputs, so you get more complicated scene transitions in the video. LTXV looping sampler can generate arbitrary length and consistent motion. LTXV's newest update comes with 5 models: the 13B distilled model and 13B distilled quantized model, featuring fast video generation with rich details. The 13B model requires 29 GB of memory, and the 13B quantized only takes 16 GB of memory. The 2B and the 2B quantized model both come from the 13B model. They require much smaller space but are super friendly to low-spec PCs. Both require just less than 7 GB of memory. On top of that, a new IC LoRa detailer has been released that provides fine-grained detail enhancement by applying a few additional diffusion steps to bolster latent resolution and visual fidelity. It can also inject video context during generation, enabling video-to-video control, guidance, or conditioning using reference frames. To install LTXV, first go to Comfy UI, open Comfy Manager, install LTX video nodes. Then restart. Open the workflow from the JSON file. There are a few example workflows inside the LTXV custom node folder. Download the checkpoints of the model. Put it under the checkpoints folder. Put the clip in the clip folder. Put the LoRa in the LoRa folder. For the workflow, since the video generation and detailing are 2 separate stages, you don't actually have to use IC LoRa together with the video generation model. You can use the original model to generate the video in batch and then choose the satisfying ones to refine with the IC LoRa detailer. Put the upscaler in the upscale models folder. Finally, put the VAE in the corresponding folder. The LTXV has a pretty fast inference speed comparing to one model and Hunyuan. For a 30-second video, the FP8 quantized model only takes like 5 minutes to generate, while one model and Hunyuan usually takes around 20 to 30-ish minutes to generate for the same dimension. You can switch to the 2B model, which generates even faster and requires even far less memories on your computer. You can change the dimensions here. Change the video duration by setting the amount of the frames. So the total seconds will be total frames divided by FPS. There's an awesome feature about LTXV, which is multiple prompts. You can use multiple lines of prompts for different scene transitions, and the model will make complicated scenes for you. Separate the prompts with a vertical bar. LTXV comes with a couple of workflows servicing different functions. Image to video seems to be only using the starting picture like a reference. For example, if I try to make a video similar to Brad Johnson that has gone viral recently, I use Flux to generate an American soldier knocking the door. But the model does not follow the starting picture. It only uses the picture as the reference rather than the first frame. It is more like an enhanced text-to-video model. I then loaded the keyframe workflow. With this workflow, you can put 3 frames for the videos. The model will put the pictures in indices 0, 40, and 90 of the sampler by default. You can also use the newest distilled model for the generation. I put 3 frames in the picture and generate a teddy video without any prompt. Well, that must be a zombie teddy bear. It's kinda scary. But after the video has been processed by the upscaler and detailer, the video looks more natural. You can change the amount of keyframes, making it first and last frame by deleting the last image upload node and attach the batch image nodes to LTXV base sampler. And then adjust the numbers of optional count indices to be 0 and 40. You can change 40 to a larger number so it makes to the last frame. This time, the teddy bear is driving a motorcycle. With the original model, it gets what I'm talking about, but without upscaling and adding details, the video is still scary. So for LTXV, it is highly necessary to use Add Details workflow to smooth your video. I added IC LoRa node to the keyframes workflow so that the detail is better enhanced with the newest IC LoRa model. The resulting video is much better. For example, I'll make a commercial of the AI beach girl showing off a MacBook with volcano eruption in the background. Occasionally, there might be some random factors, like in this example, we have some random phantom face added by IC LoRa, which might be due to the training process of the IC LoRa model. But after a few try and deleting the unnecessary frames, we can still get a satisfying result. We can adjust condition indices to make sure frame consistency. Also, by using the same picture for the 3 keyframes to prevent the model from unnecessary imagination. Overall, LTXV runs faster than one model and can generate longer videos than FrameTech. The quality is slightly better than the other 2 offline models. It is more reliable and efficient in terms of generating short videos. The IC LoRa adding details feature is the killer function, leaping forward a great step in terms of video quality. I will play around with it and generate some fun stuff. And I will discuss with you guys more fun stuff in the coming weeks. That is the end of today's video. I hope you guys find it helpful. Please consider liking the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time.